This is a tutorial on how to beat Can You Escape Level 4. Go over here and collect the paint. Also, collect that. Look at the picture and collect the paint in the background. Combine the two paints. Then, go over here, collect that paint and the picture. Put the picture in box 1, and then put it in box 2. Combine the 3 paints. Then, use the 3 paints to paint the wall. Then, use this to break a hole in the wall. Go in the wall and move the tiki faces so that they're all making different faces. Then, collect that. You will then want to go here and make a key shape using the paper. It's kind of tricky, so don't get frustrated if you don't get it on your first try. That is what the key should look like. And collect it and use it at the elevator door. You have just beat level 4.